Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Ananya and in this video I'm going to do an Urbanic try-on haul with my sisters. So let's go. We are going to share the price range of the products, how much time it took to reach us, the quality of the products and so on. And we are also going to try it for you guys. We got all these and सारे products ऐसे Ziploc packs में आते हैं, so the packaging is really good. So we got some lowers, some tops and some jewelry. और इन सब की डिटेल्स हम शेयर करने वाले हैं. So let's go.
Starting off with the lowers, we got this cool white baggy pant for rupees 800. This is size L. The fit is pretty nice and comfortable and the material is thick.
We got this black one for rupees 891. The size is L and the fit is perfect. The material is thick and it also has a waistband which gives a chic look. You should definitely go for it. Then we got this denim for rupees 1.1k. It is one of the best selling from Urbanic and we are highly satisfied with this. It gives you a trendy look, so it's a good buy. We got this cute crop top for rupees 399. It's a bit loose around the shoulders, but the material is pretty nice and it gives you a cute look. This super cool oversized tee costed us rupees 792. We got the size 2XL. We love the color, it's pretty aesthetic and it's so comfortable. We got this cute turtleneck sleeveless crop top for 399. The fit is amazing and the material is opaque, it's not transparent at all. It gives a classy look, you should go for it. This tank vest cost us rupees 392. And the color is just as shown in the picture. The material is good and it's pretty body hugging and comfortable. This A-line dress cost us rupees 970. The color and length is as shown in the picture. It has got pretty flared sleeves. It also has a ribbon to adjust. It has also got ruffles at the back and it's really beautiful. We are in love with this dress. It's perfect. We got this lock necklace for rupees 290. It's pretty amazing if you don't tangle it. We got these pretty earrings for rupees 89. They are pretty classy and lightweight.
So that was all. Hope you guys found this video helpful.
Let us know your suggestions in the comment section below and we'll also do a winter haul soon. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching.